Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to get GPS location with your Android application. Yeah, so we start a new Flutter project, Flutter application. Yeah, then press next. Okay, I'll call this project name my GPS uh, program. Yeah, path again. Just set it to your Flutter folder. Yeah, so it's basically this guy. You can see. Okay. And then project let us say GPS program. I just call it like that. Then just press next, and yeah, finished. Okay, let's wait for this guy to create the project for us. Meanwhile, I want to share with you the one of the package that I found is very interesting, which is the this guy. Oops, prompt too fast. Okay, which is this guy. We're going to use this library, okay, geolocation, to actually get GPS location. Alright, so once we have this one, we have got my UI. Let's run this and see. Okay, this is the default application that they generated. Okay, we have seen this in the last few videos. Um, so these are the functions that we are using. So give this guy a moment, all right, to actually get connected to my device first. And then if you look carefully, this is where we want to update our thing. Yeah. It's a bit slow. It's up. It's still running. Okay, got the APK installed, and I should see the application here. So this to confirm that yep, our program is running. So let's continue. Oh, I like the rate, so I think I just put the rate here. Okay, and then I'll just change this to my GPS. Okay. Uh, okay, now I want to modify the UI a bit. So this button, I'll just keep it here. Okay, I'll call this guy GPS. I'll change the icon. Tooltip get GPS location. We'll call a function. I'll call this guy. I'll call get GPS instead. All right. So I'll copy this one. I'll move to the top here. This function, replace it with get GPS. The content, not interested as of this moment. The counter, I don't need that. Of course, this is I'm going to leave this guy blank first. Yeah, tentatively. I'm also going to leave this guy blank. Okay. Or maybe I just put your current location. Yeah. So then this is where I'm going to display my longitude and latitude. But yeah, one is longitude. Maybe I need another one to be the latitude. Yeah. So this is the one. Longitude and latitude. Alright, so we'll put in the value here later. So now the question is, how do we get the GPS location? Okay, so refer back to this package, and it's really cool. Show you how to do the installation. Okay, to do the installation, you need to copy this geolocation. Alright, you look at your package under this pubspec YAML. Under dependency, you put this copy and paste it here, and then press pubget. Make sure you have internet connected. It will download and yeah, install. Once this is ready, what you need is to import the package right at the bottom here. This is the command. Okay, you can import it, and then we can start using the Dart code already inside the main.dart. Yeah? Alright, once I got this thing done, then the next thing I need you to look into, which is interesting, is to get continuous connection GPS location. Yeah, because we want to do contact tracing, right? If you want to do contact tracing, then you might want to have continuous streaming location. This one, continuous location update. Alright, so I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to paste it right inside this okay, inside this my home page. So I'm going to paste it here. So got this guy, let's add this import sync. We'll do this is actually a stream subscription, so subscribe to GPS location changes. I will set this to 1. Okay, I set this to 1 or 0. I mean, I want it to be a little bit more sensitive so that we can see the value. So of course, when you have got the value, what you want to do is I'm going to print out the results dot location dot not longitude and also the latitude. So I'm going to put in this both of them here. Latitude. Now this one, when you run, you automatically subscribe to the changes and then will start printing the showing you the GPS location. Here what I'm going to do now is I'm going to I need to add the code so that I can unsubscribe it. I can cancel it. Yeah. So this is the one. Let me put the code here, and now it should work. Now let me run the code again. Let me stop and run the code again. Yeah. So when your program is started, it will subscribe to these changes. Okay, GPS changes, and then hopefully we can get to see the GPS location already. Yeah, hopefully. Actually, I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to update the permission. Never mind. We'll just let's see if this is working first. I need to add GPS location, the permission. Yeah, one more thing I forgot. Okay, we'll see first. It's actually right here. If you scroll down, this is written somewhere here. You need to get the permission. Yeah, you need to add these 2 lines to get the permission. Okay, now it's installing. So you can request there. You can see. Let me see. There's no permission. I think permission error. Yeah, so you can see there doesn't you need to add the permission. So add into this Android manifest XML. So where is it? Under Android, under app. Okay, under app, under source, under main, under this guy. Okay, Android manifest. If you scroll down, you add just right above this and this and what do you call this and tag. Okay, save it and then you close it. Then we are done. Okay, let's try to run this program again. Okay, let me compile and run again. Because the installation, it has to repeat again. Let me stop the program. Okay, let me try again. Alright. Then let's hopefully we can get the permission running, and then we will able to read the GPS location. Now, this code is really interesting because the background is actually set true. So which means that if you minimize your program, as long as you don't kill it, don't exit it, it should able to send provide you, continuous GPS location. So yeah, we hope it works. Okay, now you're asking you the permission, then you say yes, not all the time. There you go. Alright, you can see I'm printing the longitude and also the latitude here, so you can see your GPS location continuous. It's a slightly different because GPS is changed a little bit here and there. Okay, so I hope you can see now. Let me try to minimize the screen. Minimize, not terminate. Okay, let's wait for one moment because Android, they tend to save the energy. If I don't miss, after you minimize, the frequency will be much lower already. Okay, somehow it should still give you the location. Yeah, it should just still give you the location. We just have to be a little bit patient. Yeah, let's wait and see if we can get that. So basically, this is what I want to share with you. Now there is another button that we put this unsubscribe. Basically is that if you press on that button, it will actually stop your app from subscribing to the GPS changes. So then you won't have any more GPS data coming in already. So over here you can see that you can actually put in some of your codes here to actually to transmit this longitude and latitude data to your cloud, so that we can actually track your application location. So you can modify here, okay, using the video that I showed you earlier. Now you can see, yep, it's coming in. It's much slower, okay, than when the app is actually um, running. Now when the app is actually running, it will actually show you more. Now of course, then some of you, then you maybe will be wondering, hey, how do I get it display here? Now you have to understand that this is actually running at the background, yeah. So to it's a completely different software. I mean, it's different thread if you don't want to think of it. So from here to access this one is a bit challenging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get this value again. So let's go back to this library. As you scroll up here, now we can now use this uh, get location. Yeah, this one, last known location. Now we can use this one to actually update the location. Now, of course, I think I need to add one button. Let me add one more button first, yeah. Okay, let me add one button first, so that I can, press on that so that I can get the location. So I'm going to use this guy. Okay. You can just copy and paste, and I'm going to paste it here. This one button I'm going to add, get GPS location. Yeah. This one is to cancel GPS. So we will get this one. All right. Get GPS. This is called cancel GPS. Okay, so we do another function here, cancel GPS. All right, so let me go here, create a function called cancel GPS. Yeah. I'll just replace this one. Yeah. Lazy me. So what I'm going to do is get GPS. I'm going to have one more function called get GPS now. Okay, this one is called get GPS. All right, so this is not going to cancel anything. All right, let's give it a moment. See if I can reload it my code here. Get GPS. Okay, so I have two button now. This is to cancel. This is to call this get GPS function. But you can see my GPS is data is coming from I'm continuously subscribing it. Yeah, so this is get GPS location. This is cancel GPS location. Maybe I want to change the logo. GPS off. Yeah, so that I can now you can see the two different icon now. Okay, now this is cool now. So what I wanted to do, let's go back to our main objective. I want to get the location display of my UI. So I'm going to do it here. I'm going to paste this. So to get this now again, because this is going to get await, so it's asynchronous because it takes some time to actually get the location. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an async here. So once it async, this guy will wait for the location to get the results and then display it. Now, the result is actually in latitude and also in in string format. So now what I need to do now, I need to add two variables so that I can pass this to the UI. So I'll do let. Okay, I'm going to turn. I'm just going to put them as a string. Okay. Then the other one is longitude. Okay, and then I'm going to replace this guy with this. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to change this guy to string instead. Yeah, so we just dot to string. So we can get both of them in string, and let's replace this long and latitude into our text. Yeah, I'm going to replace this one to long, and this is to lat. Okay, so let's see if I save this. Oops. Sorry for the mess up. Let me move this one to the side. Okay, let me save it. Now, the long and lat are not set up yet. Of course, if you press this button now, you still don't see the thing because it's not on set. So you need to make sure it is updated. Set state. Okay. it has to be in a set state. Alright, so I'm going to save it, and now let's try this button. Okay, let me try press. Yeah, you can see that I got my GPS location and my UI already. And of course, this one it won't update like the one that's doing it in the background. Okay, this one is only updating it as you press it, but of course you can add a loop, put some future delay to actually display it live. But this one is not going to get from the GPS again, it will get from the last known location. Your GPS is actually subscribed here, and this guy is actually getting the reading continuously already. Yeah, so I'll post this code for you. So I hope you guys find this interesting and easy to develop. All you need to do is go back and now try to modify it so that we can now we can transmit out the location from this function to your cloud server. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.